yo, what you saying, what you saying, what you saying? It's Misha and Trisha Carras, 2022, coming at you with some brand fucking, you know what I'm saying? Save my G!
Yo, what you say, what you say, what you say, yeah! My name's Misha and this is my mum, Trisha Carras. We're back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, today she's back now. I think it was like
So yeah, today I got better food. So I'm gonna show you the food first.
So the chicken wings are bun up.
Wow. So fried chicken, homemade fried chicken. We've got some chicken burgers, some prawn tings, look, thumbnail. And then we've got some babble and some eggs. Mum couldn't be asked to peel them, so they're like this. I've got some buldak noodles. I'll do this
I think they got it, Misha. And I've
Some
got
cheese
my
sauce.
favourite beer.
That's not your favourite. Why are you lying for?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
What is?
That's not a problem.
Did I get it wrong or not? What's my favourite one?
Budweiser. See, she's even her own favourite.
It is not Budweiser. No, it's
Budweiser Budvar.
Yeah, but no,
Yes, Budweiser Budvar.
Oh, fuck off. Sorry, man. Can I have cheese sauce, please? Because you're not even, are you? It's nice.
You won't like it.
But, well, you just don't want me to do. Yesterday, we went to a funeral, and it was... Black funerals are the best funerals ever. We bury our own. And when you see all these black people faces and white faces, all of them, I mean, just difficult black faces, but it was a black funeral, and I tell you, it's the way that we all... It's like you really do celebrate that person's life. Well, you know, it was absolutely amazing. And the lady's daughter that died, she sang, both the daughters sang, and it was magical, wasn't it, Misha? I mean,
Really beautiful send-off.
it was. You know what I mean? So, you know, you hear all that singing, you're actually dancing. You can't help but move when you're in a black church, can't you? It's absolutely beautiful. And then, we see all people that we've known for years and years, people that went to school with, people that we've known all our lives, really. And it's so nice to see all these faces, but it's all, you know, I always come back with this, it's just a shame that we have to meet up for
Funerals and stuff.
But everybody says that, you know what I mean? But it'd be nice if we all met up just because. Yesterday, yeah, because like my brother was there as well, and my sister, but I didn't really get time to talk to my sister.
Yeah, but she left after the church then.
Yeah, she did, didn't she? She must have gone back to work, she's a nurse, so. But my brother, you know, I've always said what a beautiful soul my brother is. And yesterday, every day, he's amazing. He wants to help. It's just lovely, isn't it, Misha?
Eating an egg? I don't understand.
Yeah, but it's wet in your mouth. You know what I mean?
You won't be able to manage these one.
No, I'm not going for.
Yeah.
No.
No, just like look a bit
I
there.
said
Like,
no.
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 Well, stop being a
No,
baby.
they're too spicy and it's going to spoil the rest of my dinner.
Another news.
Static.
Apparently there's now a cure for cancer. Some sort of cancer. And do you know what, right? We did a video the other day.
What did it, man?
And Mum made me take, I don't know to let
I did.
Made me take it out. And I said, basically what I said was, the cancer and the research is $1 billion industry. £1 billion industry. And when they get that money in, they're not just going to come up with a cure, because I was saying that, if you can come up with a cure for this, everything, you got people going into space and all that kind of stuff, You can come up with stuff like that, but you can't come up with something to cure people. Something that's been around for years as well, and something that can be looked at and worked on. Yeah, you've brought up treatment for it, but not a cure. And so many comments on this thing today were, I just hope that the person that has found this cure actually gets to bring it out before they end up dead. Like that. This
Did they really?
Yeah.
Did they?
Excuse me. This is what I'm saying to you. Like, these are the comments that I'm reading. People are saying, "Oh, I hope they sort it out because otherwise that person's gonna end up dead and all this kind of stuff." And there was a thing like there was a black guy, I think it's Dr. Semi or something like this, and he said he came up with a cure for AIDS, and and every person that he treated was cured.
Yeah. Really?
Then he's dead. Next minute he's dead. He got arrested and everything for something.
This man was likely killed for curing cancer, AIDS, herpes, and more with only herbs and diet. Alfredo Bowman was arrested for claiming to cure all sorts of supposedly incurable diseases. The judge ordered that for each disease he claimed to cure, one witness must come with a signed independent doctor's letter confirming that they had the disease, and then another signed letter from another doctor confirming that they did not anymore. The judge and jury were shocked when 77 witnesses showed up to the trial, each with signed doctor's letters confirming that they were cured. Dr. Sebi was found not guilty at the state, and then again the next day at the federal level in Supreme Court. Later in his life, he was arrested on claims of money laundering. Although he should have been allowed bail and was in completely good health, he mysteriously died of pneumonia one Saturday. His family and many people believe that he was poisoned in jail, stating just days before that he wasn't eating the food because he knew they were trying to poison him. Conspiracy aside, how did he do it? Dr. Sebi recommended a mix of natural herbs like turmeric, sea moss, burdock, dandelion root, and more, along with fasting and a vegan alkaline diet. Comment below with what you think happened and follow for more interesting herbal information like this.
Well, I don't understand why people are curing things. Why? That's just, you know what? It's called fucking corruption. That's what it's called.
And greed.
You know what I mean? I think, how much money do you want? Seriously, can you chuck some outside?
No.
Jesus, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, I mean, people need to be cured. I know, yeah, but even though I mean, like, we've only got a certain amount of time to live in this world, haven't we? Mm-hmm. But let us leave this world naturally, rather than, and you know, if we get sick, fix us.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Obviously, you can't cure everything, but the cures that you've got, give them to people. For God's sake, we pay all these taxes, this insurance, blah blah blah. Give us something back.
Well, all I can say is, all of you lot that are keeping about, you're all going to hell, just so you know.
Any what?
We're all going to hell, every single one of you.
I mean, you must think so. What have you got cancer?
Mm-hmm.
What the people that are holding it back? It's just wrong. You know, everything. Because we should talk in depth. Sometimes we come on here. You know, I mean, we should never be afraid to say what we want to say, but sometimes we hold back, don't we? A lot. Huh?
Yeah, it's not about our whole back, we just edit some of the stuff out.
Yeah, we just edit it because we don't want to offend people.
Freedom of speech or no freedom of speech, when you're getting in the way of someone's money, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, like, you could say something, yeah? And then all of a sudden they can make you disappear, right? Or they'll make up something so you get sent down.
Yeah.
Then it's just like, well, we've got all this evidence. All of a sudden, from nowhere, they could say, for example, that I've committed a crime in such and such. And it's like, I've never been to such and such.
Yeah.
But they'll find something that will place me there.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's just sad really, isn't it, really? Do you know what I mean? Yeah, like back in the day, like, people lived to a ripe old age. The ones that are living to a ripe old age are very lucky nowadays. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, because what is the timeline that's, you know, at the moment?
Well, the average age to live to in the UK now is like 81.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, it's like, do you know what though? There was something that was said in the church yesterday, and I was like, oh my God. And it was said, like, God took to the lady's freedom because everything that she was sent to do, she did.
Mm.
There was no more she could have done now. Do you know what I mean? Like, she lived out her purpose.
Yeah.
And it's one of them, like, and then I was like, I wonder if, like, that is, do you know what I mean? Like, it makes you think. But then it also makes you think about what about the other people that have died young. Like, do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Then it's like you look at people who've passed away or who have been taken away, and you see what people say about them, like, oh, you lit up a room, or you was always laughing, and that was their purpose.
Yeah.
Their purpose was to come into your life and
To like your
light up your life. Do you know what I mean? Even if right, it comes to a point where someone was alone or whatever, and they've passed away, right, and even in that older age, they've never done it. Like they haven't, like they've lived their life on their own, gone to work. Excuse me, kept themselves to themselves, no friends, no family, nothing. At one point in their life, they did something.
Yeah.
Excuse me, they could have changed it for somebody else. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many things that we could all do. You know, even a smile at somebody, a good morning at somebody, that would make somebody's day. Because that person is probably on their own all day, Misha, or whatever, or all night, the day before. You know what I mean? But like the thing is, what we do in this life, what we should do is treasure. You know, if you treasure and love you, that will make your life brighter instantly.
Yeah.
Anyway, but like when you see somebody else outside, just say hello, say good morning. Do you know what I mean? And you don't realise that just that simple thing would just brighten up that person. I've been noticed. That's what somebody noticed me today.
Yeah, but do you know what? It's weird as well, yeah, because you do that quite a lot.
I do.
Like,
Yeah,
my clients gone west. But mum does that quite a lot. Like, we were walking in town or we'd just leave the house and someone walked past and she's like, morning. And it's like, good morning.
Yeah.
And like, you see people, then they're like this.
Yeah, and
And
then
morning.
yeah.
And they look at you and say, oh, do I know you? But
Yeah.
actually, it's not that they're necessarily, she doesn't know you, she's just saying good morning to you. Yeah, do you know what?
Yeah,
You
but
do
lots of
get
people
looked at-
smile at me, Misha.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They still say morning back and they smile or whatever.
Yeah.
And nowadays, like, a lot of people look at you as if to say, like, do I know you kind of thing. But actually, it's just like you said, it's about putting a smile on somebody's face. Like, that small thing can make a difference to someone's day.
Yeah.
Like, majorly.
I mean, like kindness, which that was nothing at
Exactly.
all, nothing at all. Yeah, I mean, and like the thing is, what you see with myself and Misha, right, is what you get. That's it. Yeah, I mean, like, so we can't come on here and be fake, make up things. You know, be nothing, be something that we're not. We just what you see with me, Misha, is you get what you get.
Innit? You see us eat, so that means we're greedy.
Yeah, but we're not greedy. We're just eating.
Yeah,
but like, what you see with us is what you get. If you see us and you know, and say to you say to me, just leave us a message and say, "Can we go out for a drink with you tonight?" And we if we can, we will meet you for a drink. And yes, we will, Misha. You know we will, because I love that. You know what I mean? Of course, we will do. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, we'll meet you in a place that we know, though. Why are you kidnapped with? Well, yeah, you know what I mean? Just love each other, please, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it takes nothing, does it?
Yeah,
Like you say,
so, you know, there's no need for bad vibes or nothing like that. I know that sometimes we are estranged from, you know, friends, even family and stuff like that. But if you can see in your heart to make that up, then do so. Misha, show them
If they
snails that we're going to do.
ain't got a heart.
Everyone's got a heart, Misha. You just have to
Me
dig
no
deep.
know.
Some people have to dig
Me
deep.
no know.
Misha.
Gotta dig a little deeper. I was giving it Isha for under that one. I want to show everyone this. See this? This is what Mum really wants about. Like, just Isha do. No, it's actually
Right, so we've got these. We're going to try these. Can you see that? Look, we're going to do that. But we're just going to do this on TikTok. We'll do a snippet on TikTok and then the rest on YouTube.
We're going to do a proper challenge video. Mm-hmm. On the challenge video, we're going to do, like Mum said, a challenge video with the snails.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do a challenge video with...
Oh my lord.
These. I'll do a little zoom in for you. Ghost pepper pickled onions. And over here, we've also got...
This is our haulage. We do keep buying stuff, don't we? Oh my god, we're going to die.
Oh, that's leaked. Oh god. That one's leaked.
Yeah, but if it pops up there, go
So-
on, go.
Oh my god. Some pickled gherkins. So, I'm going to not hold that one because that's covered in whatever. So, these are psycho onions in ghost pepper. So, there's something in a naga chili, pickled onions. And it says heat level 10 plus, XXX hot.
So that'll be the next one. But I just want to give a quick shout out.
Oh, wait.
No, I've got to say, I've already
No,
started.
wait, let me just say this. We're going to be also doing the curry goat videos finally coming. I know we've dipped off kind of like the Caribbean trail that was going on, you know what I mean?
We went to a funeral yesterday and we were suffering today.
Yeah, and then also we didn't do one last week because Mum left me.
No, Mum went away.
Yeah, she left me. So we're going to be doing, we're going to be getting back on that bandwagon and then doing the curry goat. And I think we're going to be doing that either tomorrow or next week, depending. And yeah, so, and then I'll hand you back over to Mum. Come on,
I could just finish, yeah?
As you said, so I'll hand you back over.
So, I want to do a shout out for Anna. That's Mama Jones Cakes. Her cakes are so beautiful, aesthetically beautiful, and they taste just as beautiful. Shout out to Anna. Can I do another one?
Go on.
And for Mavis.
Yeah?
Absolutely. What you're doing, Mavis, bringing small businesses together, and you do your first Fridays and stuff like that. You never stop. Whatever you do, you never ever stop. You are such an amazing human being. Honestly, you really are. And obviously with Monica, she knows what she's doing, and we've already promoted Monica on here already. Doesn't matter if we do it again, does it, Mish? Hey. Hi, Karen. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Val. Hi, Michael. Love you all. She's drinking like an idiot. Drink responsibly, Misha. You're not showing me.
Drink
Why are you drinking
responsibly,
like that?
you know. Drink responsibly means I ain't drinking then, Trisha.
Yes, that's
now,
what
see if I
you
can see my teeth at the bottom. That's
Why?
Watch.
You look ridiculous. So, guys, we're going to say...
She's going to waste that bee, you know.
I'm not.
Bet ya.
Hiya. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. I think you got a bit of egg in your teeth.
Jealous. Them jealous. Them jealous. Yeah, dancing. My name is Pashi. I strictly black you see. The cream is my skin, I make it shiny. You cannot what? Stop me. Not stop, but she's not ashy either. I'm a mom, I half of me work with me